Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how we can do some performance tips and tricks for ABAP objects. So how you can go here. So I'll go to SE38, okay, and go and open any program, okay. So I go here and I think it would be environment and examples, performance example, and this opens here. Now I'll just show you some of the checks, selects where, and by this I think no one uses this, but I'll still execute, and here it will give you the performance, how much time this takes and how much time this takes, okay. One very important one that we will discuss will be select over more than one table, like views as well as other tables. So that's one point that we are going to discuss. Let's see, there is another one that's open in the meantime. So you have select with views. So here, if you see, if I run this select with views, and this is select with views, and select, this is nested select, how much time it takes for when you do this. And in the meantime, I'll just check this one, select plus check statement is still running. So let me see. Oops. And I'll go here. Oops, I'm running out of session. Okay, let's see, this one will go. Okay, so now you see the select plus check statement, it took so much time, and this one has less time. Okay, so of course you are going to use select with where clause than this. Let's do the other one where you can see, of course, if you do a nested select, it takes so much time, and this is such better. Okay, now we will do another one, select with join. Okay, so rather than nested select, we'll just measure the runtime. If you see, this is 42 and this is 30, so join is better there. So using subqueries, okay, so you can do the subqueries, we can just measure it, and again 770. So these are some of the stuff that you can use, okay. And then you have internal tables, linear search, dynamic versus static key, and all those things. You can always use this. Let's see the explicit work areas. I think most of you all do these, but the linear versus binary search is important. But important thing about binary search, you have to always do a sorting, okay. That's one very important thing you have to do. The other things, you are basically, all these things, but performance is very important with S4HANA and other things. You have the new syntaxes. You should be using inner join and CDS views wherever possible, and use inline declarations. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a good day.